Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel designated to all sorts of Mitsubishi stuff. So today in this video we'll have a look at this. It's a great product we have. Those are mud flaps for front and rear. Let's have a look how to install them. So it's, I would say, almost do-it-yourself install. If you have, capabilities in your garage and whatnot to take the wheels off and you drill some holes, you can do it yourself. If not, you can just trust your certified mechanics and they'll do that for you. So in this video I trusted our certified mechanics. I didn't have time and capacity to do that, so in this video we'll have a look how they installed. It's not exact step by step, so there's a good amount of instruction in the packaging. So even if you order this through mrmitsubishi.ca, where's my accessory site, make sure you follow exactly the outlined steps and it'll be fairly easy for you. So the thing with those mud flaps, it's quite easy. So they go right here in front just to protect a little bit road debris and whatnot and the dirt on your side of the vehicle, and the other part would be right here for the rear. So right now let's check out how to put them on and we'll enjoy the end result as well. Hoist up the Outlander, take off the wheels for more convenient install, because you have to take the wheels off in order to install them properly, and we'll see how it's done. Okay, so the wheel is off and there's a template in instructions to cut, and then with the masking tape you put it where it should be, on here and underneath right here, so that way you know where exactly to drill the holes. And those holes then you add, you screw on the mud flap itself. So first you put these templates on, then you drill the holes, and then you screw on the mud flap. So that's on. There's last hole to drill, and we'll be good to go. So we also had to remove these pins right here. So one from here and the other one right here to loosen up this plastic cover right here. That way we can install it properly, that mud flap.
That's it. Nothing much. The bottom one. Okay. And then once you're cutting it, you gotta make sure that there's no gap over here.
Look at that, lined up nicely, no gap, no nothing. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. Final pin is in, and this is the end result. We're nicely tight here. Everything is put on properly. Love it. This thing looks good. It's solid. We can feel it. It's drilled in properly. And that's the procedure. So now that it's done, we're putting the wheel back on and off we go, do exactly the same thing for all other wheels, and then we'll check out the end result. And now it's time to enjoy the end result. So it's done, installed, we're ready to rock. So as I said in the beginning of the video, so they go on right here, they're fastened real good, so you won't have any issues of them falling off or anything like that. And I think because it's sort of blends into the plastic that the vehicle has already on these fenders, it looks really good. I think it enhances the looks, and the same thing for the rear mud flap as well. So if we look at it, how it goes around the fender here, and then it's put on right here, and it's solid, very good, doesn't wobble, anything like that. It looks as if this would be part of the vehicle, which is a very good look. And if we take a little step back and just enjoy how the vehicle looks compared to, there's no mud flaps at all, I really like how it looks. I think it enhances particularly the look on the Outlander, and that's something almost any Outlander should have. Of course, unless you don't like them, then don't put them on, but if you do, I think it looks very good. So there we go. We just checked out this almost do-it-yourself video, how to install the mud flaps. Like I said, even if you do it yourself, please read the instructions step by step. So it'll show you which pin, which screw goes where. take your time, don't rush, and you'll be good to go. Otherwise, bring it in for any Mitsubishi service and they'll do that for you as well. So thank you so much for watching the video, and on to the next videos.